coughing in the first 3 seconds. That's not a good showing. Alrighty then. The mic is a bit fucking close to my arm. Okay, that's good. Yeah, it should be good. Yep. Let's just copy that. Boop. Okie doke. Before I really get into this, just gotta paste some stuff some places. Okay, I think I'm good to go. I'm definitely good to go. I'm just gonna start with Tetris though, as my normal startup thing. There we go. Now before anything else, I have 3.22 gig. Alright, it's fine. Alright, starting with this as a warm-up. And we'll see if anyone joins. Whether or not they do join, I am still gonna work on repairing buttons and boxes after like 1 or 2 rounds of this. This is just a warm-up thing I will always do for streams. Casually. Nice. If I do a well enough round, I'm just gonna stick with the 1 attempt. And then just go to buttons and boxes right after. Given this may be a bit misleading as a start thing to do for something like this, but just trying to get myself into the streaming mode a little bit. Ay, my ear's itching. Okay. Great, a lawnmower advertisement for no reason. My favorite song. But, yeah. If anything, if this attempt goes well enough, I'll just stick with the one, and then I'll just swap over to buttons and boxes. I have the thing open already, so then I can fix it. But, like I said, I'm just doing a little warm-up first. I always do this, so it's just kind of like a routine at this point to just, you know, do this. But, yeah, I've been playing the old build of buttons and boxes for some time to see what I need to fix, and it's actually really simple, considering how much experience I have with coding now. I haven't coded in the longest time, but I still remember how to do it, thankfully. I think I know who's chatting right now because I can't see their message at all. It's probably someone I kind of hid from typing chats. For a really good reason. Shit. Alright. Okay. Fuck it, I'll just do that. Whoever's in the stream right now and trying to chat, I probably have you hidden. Given I can take a wild guess on who it is. Ah, shit. Okay, yeah. You know what? 352,000, that's a lot better than usual, so I'm just gonna stick with that and go on to this. Alright. I'm gonna mute the audio for buttons and boxes because it's not really anything audio based that I have to fix. If I need to, I'll just pause the music. Alright. First order is, one thing that I noticed is with this. Just turn that down to that. Nope, I don't like this song. Boring. Alright, so yeah, the first thing I was gonna fix was the camera, because this was before I realized I could change the near and far clipping planes to closer, so then you don't look through the wall anymore. Never did it with the main menu though, because everything else is far away. One thing with the introduction that I personally have an issue with that I definitely need to fix. Oh wait, real quick. There is actually an Easter egg at the end of this level, in case if anyone tries to hack the game. There we go. I remember I put this in just in case if anyone's trying to hack the game. Just so they get something, but not something that they're looking for. Anyways, the thing I wanted to look at, or fix, was, I think, this jump. Yeah. Definitely this jump. If I look... yeah. I'm just selecting that. What's this supposed to be? Oh, wait, that's right. Oh, right, I put nav mesh surfaces on the things that move, not standstill things. Right. Okay. In level 1, these guys don't really do anything in terms of jumping, unless if they're chasing the player. So I'm not really too worried about that. The other person left, but personally I couldn't read their chats because I know that was some person, Jenna Butler, I think. I have them hidden because I think they keep asking me to play my own games over and over again. That's really petty. Asking someone to play something that they made over and over and over and over and over again, when I've already done it. Like, multiple times, actually. So, you know, hidden them. Or just hid them. Because if you're gonna ask me to do something that I already did multiple times in that itself, then why should I listen? Just gets very irritating. Alright, so I'm trying to figure out how to replace this. I could rotate it. But then what would happen with this guy? I mean, before it would be that high. I mean, the other one rotates, so... 9.96. Let's just make you an even 10. And let's see what 10 looks like for you. Okay. I'll test this, I guess. So, player, get the fuck over here. There. And the boss battle is not started, so that's good. This part's easy. That is a lot easier. That is so much easier. As for that, I'm going to slow down the speed of this. How does 3 seconds affect this? Spin affects every single one of these, so that's why it's a good thing to do that. And it only affects rotation, not position, so that's why I just have the animation. Alright, drag you over. I am yawning like a bitch. There it is. Alright, run it again. Oh wait, no. I should add a pause. That's what I should do. So I'll put this right there. And I think that would probably make it a lot easier. So, save it. Do that. Oh god, that's way too far. Okay. And there we go. Alright. Now, I question if I should make this a little bit shorter, because it looks like it's taller than the player all the time, and that's kind of an issue. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Gives you time to actually think. It can be the same speed, just give them time to think. I never actually did that before, so... Wow, that actually still does something. Yeah, those rotating cubes, they don't do much, but they'll actually knock you off if you stand on them for too long. So that works. Yeah, I feel like I should really... Yeah, I should shrink this down a little bit. I guess for this, just do 10, and then this, shrink it down. I love this fucking song so much. Okay, that should be good. I can't stress enough how much I love Nichijou OSTs. They're way too calming. Alright. Yeah, I'm basically going through each level and just fixing it up. Okay, for the character controller... trying to see what their step offset is. Alright, it's a bit iffy. Yeah, I want to make it look like it's manageable. Now it's looking pretty manageable. And this is more fair. It doesn't happen instantly. It gives you half a second at the start, half a second at the end. A whole second to just think. I'm gonna keep going up just to see if there's anything else that I should fix, because I know that this game is rage-inducing for most people. I'm not trying to make it a rage game. I'm trying to make this a horror game. Oh. Okay. So, you know, it's definitely notable to fix the issues in this game, especially for level 3. Level 3 is definitely a bit of an issue. Because for that memory game, it gets so complex that even I can't do it. That part's fine, so I don't really need to worry about that. Okay, I guess now it's this part. Nothing else in the level is really that bad for the first one, to be completely honest with you. There's nothing really that bad in the first level, except for the boss room. I remember the first build I ever made. I have it on Game Jolt right now just for people who are feeling pretty psychotic. Oh shit. There we go. But yeah, for those who are feeling really psychotic, I left the very first build of the game on Game Jolt. And I called it, "Why would you play this build, you sick freak?" Because it's that bad. Now, I do question if I should add some pause areas for these. They're not that hard to jump, but, hi, Gerald. Yeah, it's not that hard for people to jump those things, but, I don't know. I just feel like it would be worth it. This is an iffy jump. I should probably move it down a little bit. And as for these guys, there's nothing really wrong with these. It's just that I feel like they should go back to a certain position after they're done chasing you, because they just stay there. And they also just run into the wall. Well, not a wall, but the edge of the thing. I feel like I should have them just go back to their starting position. Or I could have, I don't know, less of them and have them protrude the area a bit. Like half on one side, half on the other, get rid of a few of them. and they could just walk back and forth. Make it look a little more professional. Just something that'll make it look less sloppy. The amount of enemies and where they're placed is fine. It used to be a lot more enemies on the platforms. So I'm very glad that I fixed it. Oh right, this one is jumpable for some reason. They're all jumpable. I forgot I did that. I thought that the enemy would, you know, go on those. But in reality, they don't. Because I didn't put an off-mesh link. So they can't really go there. And if they did, they would just go upside down with the platform. So it's not really worth doing. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10. I could get rid of these two. Do that. Do this. Move that there. Do that. But have kind of a punishment for staying for too long. I'm gonna make this have an enemy on it. It's a long platform, so it's not that punishing, but, you know, just don't stay there forever. As for waypoints, that's going to be an issue, because I don't have a waypoint for these. Oh yeah, put them there. As for waypoints, I'm just going to click on this. Do that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh. Yeah, these four. Oh, there it is. Wait, this guy doesn't go all the way over? I thought he did. Alright, guess I'll take care of that in a second. Alright. I really thought these, whoops. I really thought these went all the way over. There we go. Have to make sure it's within the barrier though. Oh, or maybe not. I could put them there. That works. What's this? Nice. Alright. As for these... Oh, right, it's not baked in. I need to... There we go. Put those there. Put those there. Alright, this guy goes to 61. 63, 64... Wait. Oh, he goes to 60 after. Alright. So that means this guy should go to 80, 81, 82... and then 79. And yes, I'm fully aware that I'm doing this on the 2018 version of Unity instead of something like 2020 or something like that. That's on purpose for now because when I tried it before, I didn't really know how to fix the errors that showed up. And for something like this, I don't want to screw it up and corrupt the project, so I'm just gonna have to deal for now. Alright, that should be reasonable. Got rid of 2 of the spinning platforms, so it's easier. Yeah. Like I said, the spinning or rotating platforms don't really have that much of an issue against players. It's irritating, kind of, but not really that bad. Alright. There. Yeah, that should be fine. Now, for this. Yeah, you don't have any waypoints. All right. Let me do something real quick. Forgot how to do it, but I'm trying to find a certain setting. Oh wait, I think it's settings. Fuck it. None of these people really comment on my videos at all anymore, so I'll unhide them, I guess. I better not regret it, but I'm just gonna unhide all the hidden users that I have on my YouTube. Let's see how long it takes for me to regret that decision. Alright. So. Should line it up right there. Alright, yeah. Weird, I'm getting a chat even though I unhid everybody and I'm still not seeing it. Very weird. Oh well. Let me just... shit. Two-step? Yeah, fucking... Oh my god. Has sign with two-step. Oh my fucking god, just let me do the thing. There. That's what is said, but not done. Phone, shut up. I know I signed in. Okay. This will hopefully not take too... Another good song. Alright. Yep. Okay, you get... Yep. Should start them with that, so then they can just line up perfectly at the start. Alright. Alright. So 90, 89. I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shit. God damn it. Alright, so 91, 92. I figure if I can fix this game up, I might be able to have Renee play it. Hopefully. That'd be something. But probably not. He said he might not go back to it. It would be nice, though, if he could. But nah, he'd probably hate me forever if I asked him to do that. Whoops. There. Now, I'm going to see how this goes. Yeah, I've played his game before. It was a bit iffy compared to Tetris.exe. Okay, where the fuck am I spawning? Let me see where the fuck I'm spawning. Why am I right over there? Why am I there? Okay. I'll just put myself there so that I can be safe. Okay. The important thing is to look at this. There we go. A lot better. And say that the player ends up coming up here, going over here like, haha, funny. Okay, and then Jasnium. That is not close enough. Boop. Ah, shit. Boop. And then boop. There we go. Alright, hey buddy, how the fuck are you doing? Where the fuck are you coming from? Okay. Hi buddy, how are you? That reminds me, I should increase the jumping speed. Ah, no. No, no. Okay. Oh, wait, did I just... Nice. Ah, come on, he saw me. Alright, point is, it works. Alright, I made the AI smarter, so then he doesn't necessarily... Yeah. Alright, going on your head. Head punishment. Yeah, that's where I think about what you did. Alright. So yeah, this works out perfectly. You can even avoid having any of them look at you in the first place. He has some really good eyesight to see me from over here. Wait, hold on, can I... Can I just stay here for a sec? Nope, he still sees me. There. Wow, that actually where I'm stuck. Great. Alright, point is it works. It definitely works. Although this guy has really good eyesight for some reason. He was able to see me all the way over. Although the question remains, what should I do about that? Because the intention is that once you make it over here, they shouldn't be able to do much. Wait. How far is this guy from this guy? Okay, he goes from there. Alright, so I want to say 4.5. Around there. What about you? Okay. You are pretty much 5. Alright, move you a bit closer. It's 4. Still a bit far. Does that work? That should work. Yeah. No, that's better. Mm-hmm. So if I'm correct, that should mean I should be able to... I really don't know why he's suddenly being put there. I didn't save. This time I'm not going to run through, I'm just going to place him right at the button area. There. Alright, I'm going to have him turn around at some point. I'll stand in front of the button. Okay. Alright, yeah, that works. Just give him a little bit more space, and yeah. Alright, I'm gonna risk it a little bit and go a little closer. That's where he sees you. Alright. But if you're far enough away, he'll not see you at all. Oh, he'll just stop looking. You know, I've got an idea. Yep, attract every single enemy. Okay. Hey, how are you? Yeah. Alright, I've got them all. Okay, yoink. They all stop seeing you. Wow. Alright. That works. That definitely works out a lot. Alright. I want to do... Well, first off, there is a little bug. There is a little bug with beating the boss if you end up pressing something at the same time as something else. There it is. Alright. I go back to college soon, so I should really get a move on with these games, especially the break game. I just decided not to do the break game this time because at least I can make some more progress on something that isn't mapping. I could probably fix this entire build in like 2 hours. Well, 3 hours at this point. Let's see. This is the wrong thing. Oh, yeah. Boss damage. I will not stop yawning. Why did I do destroy boss music? Just do boss music dot stop. Whatever. Alright, first destroy slide. Probably slider. Player dot transform dot parent is null. Yep. Wait a minute, if I go on third... Okay. Destroy camera 1. Alright. Just to be safe. Camera 3 should also just have a set active false. Yeah, I feel like that would work. Alright, disable this as well. I'm basically doing a failsafe because I have seen that some people have gone to soft lock when being Gerald when exiting out of the camera, exiting out of the cannon at the same time. Or something similar like that happening. So I do not want that to happen. I've never experienced it myself, but after going through the hell of this boss battle, I will admit it's kind of irritating for me to even see people dealing with that. So I figure I should fix that. Now another thing I kind of want to do, which is optional, I kind of want to have like 2 different ending scenarios in case of beating the boss without killing the enemies. If you kill all the enemies, it'll play the normal cutscene, but if you have enemies left over, or like, depending on the number of enemies left over, I want to do a different animation. Like the head just bounces around and just destroys the other enemies. Or just shows one of the enemies and just gets hit down. I mean, depending on the number of enemies, I could do a different animation for each occurring number. Like, if all the enemies are left, it just bounces each one and just kills all of them. If it's one enemy left, it just crushes that enemy. I could just go crazy with it. But, I don't know. I've already played SpongeBob Treasure Hunt. But, yeah, I think this should be good for this code, I want to say. Yeah, it's kind of hard to think of the differences to make. Just click on it. What the fuck? Okay, there we go. Okay, where is his head? Gerald did. There we go. As for his head bounce... Wait, did I do a different animation already for this? Okay, guys. Alright. Wish it wouldn't show this. Alright, that should be fine. Just fucking yum. Okay. Alright, now I think I can actually look correctly. I think that looks a bit better. Yeah, that should be a bit better. Okay. Will my phone stop fucking saying Wi-Fi network's available even though you're connected for no fucking reason? For the time, I should say that this is fine. Oh, let me just... There we go. Yeah, for the time, this level should be just fine. Now, level 2. This was an issue back then. Oh, right, the secret tip. And the barrier resetters, which used to be a thing because I didn't know how to do the box sync correctly. Oh, right, that's also a thingy. I think the triggers might be at the end. Yep, right here. I don't really think I need this. All right. Okay. So I should just have this be shorter since I'm not having the dialogue. Because I realize the dialogue is pretty fucking useless. And I'm not having them wait fucking 7.5 seconds just to switch cameras. No. There we go. I'll just stop this at 17. Alright, let's see how this goes. Alright. Yeah. This is pretty much every 3 seconds. Let's make it every 3 seconds. Perfect. That works perfectly. I don't have to worry about pressing the record button since I'm just moving keyframes. I'm not really doing much. I mean, I could add a little note that says strafe run with... Yeah, I could probably do that. Hint. So, hint dot set active true. Nope. Then, God, my fucking eye. Yield I've matured from using yield return new for certain things, but for cutscenes, that's an exception. My fucking A key is broken as shit. God damn it. There we go. Now I'm gonna type out. Did it not do it? Cutscene forgot me. Oh no, it did it. I guess it just updates in real time now. It doesn't pause. But yeah, no, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little message. Do I have some text I can just use? This works. Hey, what are you doing? All right. Position should be there. And I'll just do this. Alright, for this, I should just 40. Width being 500. There we go. I'll do bold does not work. Yeah, that works. I don't know when I'll end this stream, because I've been at this for a bit, but kind of want to keep going with fixing this as like a motivation kind of thing. Well, you know. Now, the only thing that I can really think of that I need to fix with this level, first off, I kind of want to... I realized this wasn't going to work at all. So instead, yeah, mesh collider. That's gonna have to work. And I'm gonna test that right now. I have no clue who you are. Moose cough. I don't know who you are. Oh wait, I'm a fucking idiot. What am I doing? I'm supposed to do this. Get rid of those. Select prefab. Distraction item. Yeah, remove that. Mesh collider. And then mesh collider here too. There, now it just has it by default. Alright. I want to make sure that this doesn't just float in midair. Where am I? Where the fuck am I now? Oh, great. I'm in the void. My fucking favorite. Alright, do that. I am sick of spawning in the void, so I'm just gonna save there. Oh, my eventful status is at 14, so it's not going to play the animation. I don't think it works. Alright, since I know that now, I mean, I could stop being a damn idiot and just do this. I cannot open it that way. Alright. It just... what the hell was I doing before that made it... Wait a minute. I don't know what I did before that made it bad. Is it because I... No? I don't know what the hell I did before, what my dumbass head did before, but... I just put a whole cube there and just left it be, but now it's suddenly just fine. I don't know why I'm so goddamn stupid. Well, problem solved. It doesn't float anymore. It actually works just the way it's supposed to. But I want to get it upside down for a second. Please. Yeah, now it just works. Okay. Fuck me, I guess. I'm such an idiot. I'm such a fucking idiot. Oh yeah, this is the other major issue I need to work out. The dog stops at the cage sometimes, but doesn't go in. And he got confused. Okay. Wait, can I just... There we go. Distract him. Yeah, he seems a little buggy when he's looking at different things. Who the fuck is Monsieur Bastien? Ah. Jamie, is that you? Jamie. Jamie. Don't tell me this is you. I swear to Satan, if this is fucking... Oh, I'll follow you back. Fucking show your IP address on stream. No, you know what? I have to clarify. I swear, if it gets confirmed, I'm gonna... Nah, you know what? I'm just putting it right here. I'm waiting. I'm fucking waiting. Then again, I don't think they're online for Discord that often. So I'm probably not going to see anything. If I get a message though, I'm showing it on stream. Did they just make a YouTube account just to be on my stream? I looked at their channel and it says they made it today. No, that'll be the fucking day. I shall speed playing this shit? Yeah, right. People will play anything except for my games, I swear. They'll play the shittiest garbage that I've ever fucking seen in my life, but they will never play my games. I'm not saying my games are that good. I'm saying that apparently garbage is better than my games. Completely. Oh right, this has bones, because I didn't want to be lazy or make it overcomplicated. But where's the animator? Oh, there it is. I don't know why I have Cage up as an animation. Cage down, it's because it needs to lock the dogs in. But Cage up? What did I make that for? I think that was a fail-safe for if the player got stuck in there, but I don't know. Wait a minute. Oh, trigger for Cage, that's where it is. Alright, so trigger for Cage. I don't know what to do about that. I'm kinda stupid. Given, I'm pretty sure a lot of people already know that, but I'm kinda stupid. Dan, 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 dan. Alright, rotate you this way. How far in is this? Yeah, I added this fix because some people would try to use themselves as bait and then they would get stuck like a fucking idiot. So just to make sure they don't do that in the future, because that's not how you're supposed to do it at all, I added this, so then if both people are in, it's not going to do anything. I don't know why I'm looking at all this. Okay. It's obvious that the main thing I should be focusing on is not the trigger, but the other thing. Three, 4, 6, 2, 3. Yeah, I think the trigger should just stay the way it is. It's not really worth trying to do anything with it. Yeah, check the cage. might end the stream soon. I am getting tired. Okay. The timing is fine. Trying to remember what go down does. I think I might stop the music so I can actually think. Oh, and I like that song too, man. Oh well. Alright. I'm putting off the headphones, or taking them off. I can just turn it back to max volume if I so do please. Anyways. Yeah. For the go down thing, that has to be true. Yeah, if go down equals true, telling me is that, wait a minute. Wait, that is not the button I was thinking of. There we go. Yeah, distract the enemy. Yeah. Okay. All right. So for this, yeah, enemy. The timer's at 10. The fuck? Do I just have this in here for no reason? Okay. You know, enemy doesn't even have a thing. Okay, new idea. Okay, it is check the cage. Yeah. So for check the cage, tar. If ready is false, or no, it goes to false. Alright. Ow. Come on. Ow. That fucking hurt. Okay, I'm trying too much to get facial hair off. Alright. Alright, that's when he is within range. This is very confusing. So that's when he's in range and he's first getting it. This is if ready is false. And it's still... Alright, so, yeah. That's if ready is false and he's currently spotting it. Wait, hold on. Aye. Is it this? Okay, it's more than 8. And that changes to that. Alright. Or this cancels it if they see the player. I already know that. Yep, and if they spot it, then that happens. Alright. I am getting fried. My brain is getting fucking fried. Yeah, so if they're within distance of that, interstate is not pursuing. This is part of update. Yeah, it's within 30. And ready is true. Hold up starts, and that does the state of Oi. Their walking is false. And probably set to idle. And then they do spot. I think spot is for when they're heading to the cage. Yeah, go down being true. Huh. Is there another if statement for go down? Yeah, I need to do more, or I need to do more research on go down. Yeah, if their state is nothing, then go down is true. Yeah, if go down is true, that goes down for the timer. That's nothing, yep. I don't know. Of course, the follow request was accepted. Yeah, no, that's definitely Jamie. Yeah, no, that's definitely Jamie. Okay. I fucking knew it. That goofy ass face I've not seen in years, and yet I can easily recognize it. Okay. You know what? I got an idea. Let me just look at his stuff. Yep, that part works. Okay. They don't see it. Oh wait, it's too short, that's why. You know what, that explains a lot why I had the box collider like that before. In that case... if that's the case, I've got an idea. Copy component, paste as new, trigger, then simply move it up a bit. Or no, just have it cover the whole thing. Nope. No, it's 0. Yeah, just do that. The trigger should not do anything because it doesn't have a code on it. But it should be spotted. Yeah. Alright, let's analyze. Alright, that doesn't work. If it isn't a trigger, it will be spotted easily, but it will not, you know, touch the ground. It'll be floating in midair, which I don't want that. Maybe I could change the lure code. Yeah, maybe I could change the lure code. Get it, goddess. I forgot I typed that. Alright, if it... Box collider? No, it ignores triggers, I think. So I don't think I can get away with that. I don't know how exactly to go about this. Michaela. The fuck are you doing up at fucking 10? But yeah, I decided to go a different route with the thumbnail. I figured I would take a break from the corrupted thumbnails. Yeah, that sounds about right with you. I'm currently trying to figure out how to make this meat more spottable without it being a box collider so that it doesn't just float in midair. But I'm having trouble with that. I've not had much luck with viewers on the stream tonight. I'm gonna be honest with you. Wait a minute. Wait a fucking minute. Hold on. Alright, first off, that's fine. But, have I been doing this fucking wrong? I'm trying to fix, yeah. I'm trying to fix buttons and boxes and try to see if I can convince Rennie to play this shit again, but, I really doubt that. He'd probably hate me if I even mentioned it. But, yeah, direction.y being 0. For the lure code? Nah. I think I've been going about this shit all wrong. Hopefully. I can see it now, people raging their fucking asses off even though I fixed this. But, yeah, let me see if this works. I think I've been doing this all wrong with the lure code. Man, ask him to play the Hall of Harvest. He told you to let him know when you're done. Don't hold off on that. Okay, let's see if this works. It does not fucking work. Okay. Alright. Okay, it doesn't fucking work. How is he not seeing that? He's literally pointing down looking at it. Literally says meat on it. Yeah, this is proven to be a bitch and a half. Yeah, and I don't fucking appreciate it. Not even that. I'm trying to get him to go in the fucking cage. That explains why he doesn't necessarily go in the cage half the time. Because the box collider maybe just goes under the radar sometimes. I mean, the defeatist route is just putting a podium in each of the cages and just having the player put the meat on there. But, no, I'm not taking the defeatist route. I want to make sure that the dog can see it wherever it is. What if... What if? What if? Oh, fuck. Okay. Just a quick little what if. Yeah. Okay. This is a bit iffy, but what if I make it the enemy transform position instead of the head? Just a big ol' what if. The craziest of what ifs. Fuck. Okay. That's probably not a good angle. Yeah, no, he's staring right at the fucking cage. He's not seeing that. Okay. Meat. He's gotta see that, right? Oh, he's too close. Go forward. You fucking bitch. Oh my god. There we go. Okay, he's not seeing it. Oh, wait. Any other ones? I don't think so. Okay, let's try this. I realized I didn't do the other parts. Let's see if this fucker wants to do it this time. I have to be fast. Yoink. Yoink. Gimme. Okay, he sees it. How the fuck am I supposed to... I fixed the direction.y, I did all this shite. I don't know what it wants me to do. Okay. I mean, I'll... Nah, come on. I mean, I'll just do the box collider thing again for a quick second. Yep. Oh, come on. No, not that far. Okay, 0. Let's have it like that. 0.5. I'm just doing this as a test. See if he's really that scummy that I have to keep it like that. Okay. Yoink. The main issue with level 2 is them not going in the cage. That's the only thing I can really think of. Because now... Oh, now he spots it because it's fucking huge. Ay, ay, ay. Now, this would normally work, but then this is going to end up floating in midair, which I don't like having it like that. I mean, it'd be fine if I could do triggers, but I don't think he can spot triggers. And I have him not looking just straight. I have him looking up and down too, so I don't get it. Yeah, it's really hard to think of this shit. At some point I ought to update this to the 2020 Unity build, but not as of right now, honestly. But no. Physics? Yeah, physics. Yeah, queries hit triggers, that's disabled. That's the issue. That is the big issue here. I'm yawning all over the fucking place, goddamn. But, yeah, this is being really, really unreasonable. Yeah, reset it. Yeah, this is where my brain is just going fucking south. It went south half an hour ago, but it's going way down south. Because I'm trying to think, maybe if I have them spotted, I can disable the box collider, but that's not going to work. Then I think, oh, maybe I could do mesh rendering, but no, that only goes on the object. And he's clearly looking down at it. He just doesn't want to go. Yeah, head dot forward. If I do it at any angle, then he'll just see it no matter what. It's really fucking confusing. And I don't dare ask any game developing servers, because those people are assholes. Like, they will not help you. If you come to them with a question, they will treat you like you're mentally retarded. So I stopped asking for help a long time ago. I mean, hell, that's how I got this lore code as well. I asked the server, or a server, for help making a lore code, and they were just bitching the entire time. They helped me after like 1 or 2 hours, but they just kept on bitching the entire time. I'm glad I got what I wanted out of them. I'm never asking them for help again. The best I can do now is like fellow game developers that I actually personally know that use Unity as well. Or, you know, C#. But I don't really need to worry about that because I have been pulling out all the stops by myself. So I rarely ever need help anymore. Yeah, makes sense. But for Unity servers, they're like fucking snobs. Yeah, enemy won't spot object on ground. Yeah, I really wish that I could have the dog enemy just be able to spot. Yeah. Yeah, it's been good that I've been able to do this shit by myself. So I don't have to worry about being yelled at for no reason anymore. That's also why I don't like working with others. Because people go their own routes, and if you don't agree with them, they get snarky. At least that's my experiences every single time. So, I just work by myself now. But, anyways. Yeah, if I have the dog enemy able to spot triggers for the meat object, or the distraction item, then he's gonna spot triggers for every single character. And that's not good because he will be able to spot his own trigger, and he won't be able to spot me. And also, if I put the meat inside the cage, inside the trigger that he's supposed to walk into, he won't see the meat. So this is a pain in the ass. Can I stop fucking yawning for a goddamn second? Jesus Christ. I hate yawning. I hate my voice, well, my entire existence, but I fucking hate yawning. Yeah. I mean, I'm boring as hell, but yeah, I have a lot of ideas. Some ideas should probably not go on paper at all, like the break game, but I'm doing it anyways. Which, Michaela, in case you don't know, I am just holding off on the break game this time because the mapping sucks absolute ass. And I decided to do something that I can actually make progress on this time. Once I'm done the mapping in the break game, though, I can guarantee that coding it will take like a week or two, and that's about it. Same with audio. I already made all the music, so I'm good on that. Seriously, why is this so fucking hard to think about? It's a simple thing, but I can't do anything. True. That is very true. Alright, yeah, come on, I gotta fucking think of something. I can't be this useless. I mean, main reason why I'm trying to get the break game out, or, yeah, trying to get the break game out is because Renee is definitely waiting on it. And I've got another person that's waiting on it. And I've been working on the damn thing for a year. It was supposed to be done before I went to Japan for the year. But, still not done. Because I was doing other shite, and when I didn't make it in time for the contest, I got depressed and didn't do it again still. The only bright side is I never scrap ideas, no matter what. No matter what idea I have, I will never scrap it. Even if my mood changes. The only time I ever scrapped something was this game called Self-Commute, a game concept that I wrote 25 pages of a game plan for, and I scrapped that because I changed the games I make overall. I didn't make any official games at that point, so, you know, I didn't really care about that one because I haven't made any games yet at the time. I only made a concept game plan on a document, a text document. So, I didn't really feel that bad about scrapping something that I haven't even started, except for typing it. If I'm already making the project, then I'm going to keep to it. Initially, I was going to scrap the Walk of a Savior, but I decided that, you know what? I'm just going to keep it and work on it later. I'm going to make it work with the whole story. And that game's going to cost like $2. Once I get back to making it, it's a ragdoll game. That's why it's called a Walk of a Savior, because you're gonna have terrible walking control. That is a very buggy thing as well. When I try to grab something, it'll get stuck to the hand, or you'll move your mouse so much that you'll spaz out and just cease to exist. Actually, hold on. I think I might actually... It's not called the Walk of Savior right now. It's called Ragdoll Testing. The Walk of Savior demo, yeah. Hold on. Fuck it, we're going off course. I also have been wondering if I should... ah, fuck. Hold on, how do I move? Why is it not... Am I just stuck? The fuck is going on with this? For some reason I just can't move. I don't think I made a proper main menu loading thing. I'm gonna try it again, because I feel like he just didn't move by chance. That has happened before. Same with the big day. The secret ending, or just the normal ending, didn't work at one point, and then it did. What the fuck? He's not moving at all. Even when I do, like, arrow keys, he's not moving. That is very annoying. Well, I could still show it. I also have the Corrupted Lament teaser demo that I have not made public yet. And that's because it was for the Game Developer World Championship, which I had no chance for because I didn't really get to work on it throughout college. So it was just a very shitty teaser demo that I submitted, and that's obviously was a bad build. Very bad. But, you know what? If I really want to show this right now, I'll just do it right here. Minimize that for a second. Yeah, for some reason my stupid ass thought, oh, I can make a 4-hour game in 1 week. Sure, I had an idea of what I was gonna do, but I don't think I could have done it at least 1 week. Yeah, I figured I wanted to try to win, because the prize was like $800, a trophy. Well, no, a trophy and a trip to Finland. Alright. Yeah, I've decided I'm going to fucking do it here because screw the build. Oh, that's... Alright. Is it? Yeah, this is guy. Okay, that's where the camera is. Configurable joint. Is it because he's not grounded? Yeah, for some reason I can move here. It's very laggy though. That green platform. I do it myself, but I can't lift it easily. I'm a weak person. Also, my creator is lazy and doesn't want me to move from this spot. But yeah, the concept with this is that you're trying to help people, but you fucking suck at it, or they just don't appreciate the help that you do. Yeah, it stays there. And then you go back to this guy. Girl, I'm mad now that the platform is red. I'm going to blame it on you because I want you to put the box on the green platform. I don't care if it was green a second ago. I'm an ass all of a sudden. Stand on the black platform to reset. Now, if I recall, I made an accidental bug where he'll just chase after you if you go far enough. Yeah. Yeah, in the game, they will chase after you if you run away from them. Oi, I need help. I need someone to move that box to the green platform. I can't do it because the box is too heavy for my weak ass. Please could you... Wait, what? What? Okay. Need someone to move that box. Yeah. Please could you do it? There's literally no one else here. Oh, he's tracing. I forgot this was before I fixed the text box. No, I don't want to help you. Yeah, so it resets when you stand on that. There we go. And if you run off the edge, I don't know if that does anything bad. Oh yeah, it despawns the first guy if you haven't interacted with him yet. And I think this one... Oh yeah, and in this game you can have your character blink. Alright, you know what, I'll do his task, and then I will run off the edge. There we go. Oh, that's perfect. But yeah, I think it replaces him with the other thing. Yeah. Yeah, no, it goes to the position of the current person. I don't know if going off the edge does anything here. Yeah, no, it doesn't. Now, if you throw the box off the edge, that's a different story. You're not going to like what happens, but I'm going to do it anyways. Okay, time to be an ass. Now this goes before the misdirection. But yeah, let me just yeet. Oh, that sucked. Oh, come on. Come on. Yeet. Oh, right, he just fucking runs after you. But, yeah, that's what happens. Actually, wait, does he have a different face? I didn't look at that. Oh, shit. But yeah, if you walk too far away from the task at hand that you're usually supposed to go near, then they'll chase after you and get your attention that way. Now what I want to see... Yeah, that was just a little Easter egg. I made this for a game design class, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna screw with people. Oh no, not this shit. Like, go of me. Thank you. Ass. Alright, pause. Alright, let me look. I want to see if this guy has a different face. Oh, he doesn't? I was just very boring. Oh yeah, there's a player model underneath the, yeah. There's a player model underneath the map. So then it can basically be your ragdoll's kind of way of copying movements. That's how you do the ragdoll in this game. Usually people will put them under the map. Now I guess the only other thing I should show is the Corrupted Lament teaser build, or a teaser demo. Now I've been wondering if I should do a public teaser demo instead of just what I made. But I'd have a lot to fix if I did that. But yeah, disclaimer, if you've not played the first few games prior to this one, as in the Screen That Plays, Simple Games Horror Bundle, and the Misdirection, and probably Ragdoll, or the Walk of the Savior, and the Break game, then it is suggested that you do not play this game just yet. If you choose to play either way, you may not get the whole disturbing truth beyond this game. Below, please select yes if you have played the previous games and beaten them before, or select no if you have not played it and beaten them before this game right here. If you select no, you still wish to play this game disregarding the fact that you may or not fully understand the full concept and meaning behind this experience and may be very confused. If you say yes, then don't blame me if you don't understand the story. Just remember that you chose the decision to do so. If you say no, then I'll wait patiently until you are fully ready to begin. And if you click no, then it'll say, then take your time, I'll wait for you. Yes. This game is not meant to be played or viewed by anyone who may be suicidal or depressed. This game does contain heavy use of suicidal thoughts and actions. Although just for safety, don't play this game if you are sensitive to loud noises or flashing lights. It is not a guarantee, but there still could always be a chance. Lastly, this game follows up on a true basis of someone's mentality. If you cannot handle that, then do not play this game. This can and will bluntly show what is felt all in this experience. Only true meanings of fear await you if you decide to play this game. That was a mouthful. But, yeah, this is probably what the main menu will stay as. Given it doesn't have the static effect, it just has the glitch effect, I should probably change that. It swaps between the laptop, the noose, and the can. Now for options, there are no options yet, but there is a back button. The quit button, I don't think there's anything for that. I'm gonna wait until it shows the last one, just to prove it. Ah, come on. Alright, well, I'm waiting for it to show the last thing. Basically, the issues with this game so far is that the map is way too big. And the ending is a bit lagged out or buggy. There we go. But yeah, those are the three things. I'm gonna shut up for a sec because I'm supposed to talk in this cutscene. I don't know why I'm so scared. I know that whatever happened to me on that night, the night that I was attacked by the virus, I beat him. I got rid of him, right? Why can't I shake the feeling of fear? Like people are watching me. No matter where I run, there's always someone watching. Yeah, sorry about that. I realize that it's a bit quiet on the stream because of the volume settings I have. I have not changed this. This is just a concept thing, and the mini-map goes over it. Yeah, there's a mini-map in this game. Can't interact with any of this. It's brighter here because of the directional light outside. But, you know, it's the perception error set up because you play as this guy again. It is rather laggy because I gotta fix it so then no matter where you're facing it's fine. You just have to despawn I just have to despawn a few items. Makes sense. But yeah. As for this, the map is too big. There's lag depending on where you look. Specifically the retail store. I swear this is probably the most bland city ever made. All the buildings look the exact same. How am I supposed to know which one is my house? I should probably update the big day in the horror bundle so then there's doors on the other buildings. Maybe. That's a big maybe. Now the whole map is made normally. And since I already did the cars mechanic in the break game, I can add that into here as well. I like seeing the scenery of the city. Sure, it hasn't much to look at, but the way the sun hits the trees and the way their shadows show on the ground. Call me crazy, but it's kind of nice. But yeah, there's the big day. You cannot go into the school because this character is too fucking big. You can't go into the parents' house either. That's just not accessible. There is a police station and a news station, aside from the therapy office. The news station has someone in there, the guy from the Time of Death video, but the police station does not have anyone in there. I had Rene actually test this build, not make a video out of it. I didn't want him to do that. But you know, he gave me his 2 cents, and obviously the first one was that the map was too big, which I fully agree with. I should really make it smaller. The therapy office over there, it doesn't really have much to it. You just walk in, take a seat, and someone yaps at you for half an hour. Seems like a damn near waste of time to me. Yeah, I'm gonna be completely honest right now. That dialogue is kind of my mental thoughts on therapy. The setting of this game isn't necessarily, you know, where I live, what I do. It's more so the concepts of my mentality. Yeah. And given, if anyone has played the horror bundle and gotten the secrets, I doubt it because people never buy my shit. But basically in the secret for Retail Retribution, it tells the story of this being a fake world created by, you know, me. Then again, I think the notepads at the end of some of the games also say that. Like the error development, that's a good one. The error development has that note at the end that basically says, when will this corrupted lament take place, yada yada yada. Yeah, here's the police station, nothing in there. For the news station, wait a minute. Did I go past the news station? I did. Because I'm an idiot. But, yeah, if anything, for the error development, It's basically... Could I just pull it up? I think I could. Let's go into the error development assets. Alright, that's not it. Trying to find the one that has, you know, the text message creation. No, that's the Japanese thing that I need to import into it. Still doing the Japanese language update. It's just a bit hard. Okay, come on. Where is it? Am I really this stupid? Audio trigger, nope. Check stuff. Gain secret activation. That's create folder, that's not the same thing. Maybe it is in create folder. It is not. And I don't necessarily have it on me. I wish I fucking knew what it was. It's in the intro area. Is it intro to game? Nope, of course it isn't. Why would it be? Apologies for this. It is very hard for me to find shit, apparently. Message box... No. Seriously, what the fuck? Why can't I find it? It should be really easy for me to find it, and yet for some reason I'm just blind, I guess. Player data's? Nope. Fucking hell. Quitting the game? No, of course not. I'm giving myself a fucking aneurysm. That's what I'm doing. Wait a minute, I think it might actually be this. Is it? Wow, what is wrong with me? What is actually wrong with me? Yeah, that is definitely a mood. Intro camera is not it. That's not it either. Fuck. Hey, if you want to shoot yourself, then this is the way to do it. Nope. Nope. Yeah, understandable. Yeah, I got feckin' nothing. I mean, if anything, I'll just finish this up, I guess. But, you know, here's the news guy. You know, I keep forgetting I put that in. I kind of completely forgot that I put that in. That's the news guy, you know, from the Time of Death video. That's just temporary dialogue. That's not gonna stay in the final game. Oh, the virus, that thing. Spooky Ookie virus. As you can see, there's nobody ahead of you today. It's been rather slow, honestly. Anyways, you can just walk right upstairs to your therapist. Have fun talking about your trauma. Let me in. There we go. To tell which door, here it is. Boop. Doctor Therapist. Talk to me. Sorry, I forgot to let you know beforehand. Our therapy session is canceled today. Something came up. The only reason I'm here right now is that I was called in for a few minutes. But I don't have enough time for you as of right now. I'm very sorry. You go ahead and enjoy your day. Sorry for not letting you know beforehand. Now, for the main part of this game, people treat the player pretty normally. And there's a reason for that. Since this isn't the vessel yet, it's kind of iffy on how people will treat you later on. And if it's nighttime, it's more possible for them to treat you badly. And of course, the virus entity can come out at night. It's not supposed to be this slow, it's just lagging. Funny how you think you can live with yourself. Everyone suffers here. Soon, ye shall lose everything you hold dear. Just you wait. I sense a misunderstanding. Allow me to clarify. I wasn't talking to your player. Leave this game. You are not ready for the truth yet. Nobody is. When the day comes, the Creator's whole made-up world within the codes will end. You shall see, along with those who care to join his sick little ride through hell. I hope you enjoyed this little teaser demo. The full game is still being made. Yeah, the initial ending of that demo has a face appear on that NPC, but for some reason it just popped in instead of faded in, so I didn't do that. But you know, if I were to fix that demo up, I feel like I could potentially make that a public teaser demo, like rather soon. So, yeah. I'm trying to get a second opinion on that. That's why I texted Renee asking, hey, you know that shitty teaser demo I made? Should I make that a public build? And he has yet to answer. I haven't really talked to him in a while. I send a message every once in a while, but he has not opened it. He's rather busy, I'm assuming. Makes sense. But, yeah, if I am to fix it up, I'd have to make the map smaller, probably add more people, have an actual therapy session, change the dialogue of the newsman, put people in the police station. The whole map, as a concept, is made. But, you know, just gotta roll with it. I'll add the moving cars as well. Well, I definitely have plans. I mean, I'm fixing buttons and boxes right now, and I'm not going to work on that until the Corrupted Lament is done. Yeah. Basically, I guess my plan is finish the break game, fix buttons and boxes, update the horror bundle. I guess make the Ragdoll game. Add two new endings to the Misdirection. Work on the Corrupted Lament. And then go for the full game of buttons and boxes. And if I find a reason to live, then hopefully after buttons and boxes, something else. And even if I do find a reason to live, then I'll still make buttons and boxes in the way that I envisioned it. Yeah, it is a lot. And basically for buttons and boxes, it's initially, as of right now, my last life's work. yeah. But yeah, that's my last life's work. And at the end of the game, if you get the good ending, the whole thing is destroyed, the creator is gone, his whole fake world falls apart. The bad ending is just something else. And the multiplayer mode is basically just a build-up to the last bit of the life work. It's basically memories formed into puzzles. I would only hope that people would actually take advantage of the multiplayer mode there. Don't know for sure. I did think of making like a custom levels mode too, but that'll have to wait for a while. Yeah, I'm trying to root for myself too, it's not working. And now it's back to this. I don't know if I should stop streaming now or not. I've been going for a good 3 hours, but I feel like if I stop streaming, then I won't work on the game for the rest of the night. And I really, really want to solve this issue. That's true. Yeah, this is, yeesh, an irritating thing. I guess real quick, very quickly. Well, actually, before you go, Michaela, I figure I might as well load this up right now. Just quickly to show you what I was trying to show earlier, but I couldn't find the damn code that does it. This should load pretty fast, so it won't take long to pop up. I know it's in the main menu, because when you go back into the game, that's the first thing that loads. This is not the right scene. Okay. Click here. Alright. So what I'm looking for... Not that. Oh, I am dumb. It's on Form Manager. Oh. Alright. Yeah, this is for the Easter egg, if you try to cheat. Okay, yeah. I'm not gonna make the whole text, I'm just gonna read it out. This is the text document that shows up in the good ending, where it says, a story told but broken, a corruption that gets too powerful, can you feel it? These games, these simulations, they will one day fall apart in both worlds, in reality and within the code. The code speaks out, the people within try to break it. They don't want to listen, but they are all puppets, pulled by the strings of something that made them, and the virus. All their voices align too similarly. If any of the people within remark on how certain people in here sound similar, the whole game will break, this whole world in the code. The question is, however, when will that happen? When will this corrupted lament take place? That I cannot answer for sure. But when it comes, the one who made them all will not be prepared. There will be nothing left in this world that he made for others to see. Nothing but the corruption. Nothing but me, and me, and me, and us. Do you believe me now? That's what I was trying to look for. As you can tell, that took a little bit. But yeah. What line? What line are you talking about? Yeah, yeah, I bet. Okay. Oh yes, that line. Yeah, if you knew how fucked up that line is, that phrase, because I've been saying that for a while. And it is not a good phrase, I'll say that much. But you know. Oh, I can see my own stream on my YouTube menu. Anyways, I think I should probably end this stream in like 2.5 minutes. Because I might as well end it at the 3-hour mark. Yep, good night. Okay. If anything, I guess I'll just keep working on this on my own. Might as well, I'm already halfway through. Anywho, I guess I'll end the stream now. At least I can say I was a bit productive with this stream tonight. Even though barely anybody showed up. But it's not the most dead stream in the world. I've had some people actually talk. I've had streams where nobody talks. So this is definitely an improvement. Anywho. Yep. Good night.